Nvidia's recent earnings report? Boom! They blew past everyone's expectations. The stock is soaring like a rocket. Why? Well, the answer is simple. Artificial intelligence. Nvidia makes the chips that power AI, and AI is the future. Every company wants in. They need Nvidia's chips. It's a gold rush. Nvidia's success is a sign of things to come. AI is going to revolutionize our world. It's already happening. We see it in self-driving cars. We see it in personalized medicine. We see it in smart homes. Nvidia is at the forefront of this revolution. They're the ones making it happen. But this is not just about Nvidia. It's about the entire tech sector. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon are all investing heavily in AI. They need Nvidia's chips too. This is a massive wave of innovation, and it's going to lift the entire market. Remember when the internet first took off? We saw a similar boom. Companies like Amazon and Google emerged as giants. AI is the next internet. Nvidia is poised to be one of the biggest winners. This is a company to watch. This is a sector to watch. This is the future. The Dow Jones Industrial Average just hit 40,000 for the first time ever. That's a huge milestone. It shows that the market is incredibly strong. Investors are confident. They're pouring money into stocks. And why not? The economy is booming. Inflation is under control. Interest rates are low. This is a new era for the stock market. We've never seen anything like it. The Dow has never been this high, and there's no reason to think it can't go even higher. The fundamentals are strong. Companies are making money. Investors are optimistic. Of course, there are always risks. The market can go down as well as up. But right now, the momentum is clearly positive. The bulls are in charge, and they're not showing any signs of slowing down. This is a great time to be an investor. So what does this mean for you? If you're not already in the market, now is the time to get in. Don't miss out on this incredible bull run. Invest in quality companies, invest in the future, and ride this wave of prosperity. Section 3, Earnings Insights, Tech, Retail, and Housing. Earnings season is in full swing, and well, we're seeing some interesting trends. Nvidia's blowout earnings are a sign of the strength in the tech sector. But it's not just tech. Retailers like Target and Lowe's are also reporting strong numbers. This tells us that consumers are feeling good. They're spending money. They're confident about the future. Target's earnings show that consumers are still spending on discretionary items. They're buying clothes, home goods, and electronics. This is a good sign for the economy. It means that consumers aren't just focused on essentials. They're willing to spend on things that make them happy. Lowe's earnings are a bit more mixed. They're seeing strong demand for home improvement products, but they're also facing higher costs for lumber and other materials. This is a challenge for the housing market. Higher costs could lead to higher prices for new homes. Overall, the earnings picture is positive. Companies are making money, consumers are spending. The economy is growing. This is a good environment for stocks. Section 4, the Housing Market Conundrum. The housing market is a bit of a puzzle right now. On the one hand, demand is strong. People want to buy homes. Interest rates are still relatively low, but on the other hand, supply is tight. There aren't enough homes on the market, and prices are rising. This is making it difficult for some buyers to afford a home. The recent housing market reports show that prices are continuing to rise. Inventory is still low. This suggests that the housing market is still hot. But it also raises concerns about affordability. If prices keep rising, it could price some buyers out of the market. The Federal Reserve is watching the housing market closely. They're concerned about rising inflation. If the housing market gets too hot, it could contribute to inflation. The Fed might have to raise interest rates to cool things down. That would make it more expensive to buy a home. The housing market is a key driver of the economy. It's important to watch it closely. If it starts to weaken, it could have a ripple effect on the rest of the economy. But for now, the housing market is still strong. Section 5. What's next for investors? So what does all this mean for investors? The bottom line is that the market is strong. The economy is growing. Companies are making money. Consumers are spending. This is a good environment for stocks. But it's important to stay vigilant. The market can change quickly. Keep an eye on interest rates, watch the housing market, pay attention to earnings reports, and be prepared to adjust your portfolio if necessary. The key is to stay invested. Don't let fear keep you on the sidelines. This is a time to be in the market. This is a time to participate in the growth of the economy. This is a time to make money. So don't miss out. Invest in quality companies, invest in the future, and enjoy the ride.